Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete Zebpay account permanently. So in order to delete Zebpay account permanently, first of all, you only have to log into your account. Now there will be no such direct option to delete your account. But what you can do is you can just go to the support and then you'll be taken to this page where you can see security center, and under it at the last you'll be able to find an option as deactivate account. So you can see that permanently deactivate your Zebpay account, your balance must be below the minimum threshold. With this action cannot be undo, which means that once you've deleted your account, you'll not be able to restore it. Moving forward with the procedure, just click on deactivate account, which is located right at the bottom, and after that you'll be able to see this sort of interface which says, like, are you sure about deleting your account and all that stuff. If you're sure about it, then go ahead and tap on deactivate, which is located right at the bottom. Now since you're deactivating your account, so you have to finalize a reason, so go ahead and select either one of it and click on deactivate account. Click on deactivate account. After that, for the confirmation, it's going to ask you to enter in the passcode associated with your Zebpay account. If you're sure about it, then enter in the passcode, and then you'll be notified with the statement that your account has been successfully deactivated, which means that you've successfully deleted your account. So there's no such 30 days trial or whatsoever. So once you've done the deactivation, then your account has been removed. So in this way you can close your Zebpay account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.